Target practice, baby.
Hey, what's up, Charter fam? Check this token out right here. This is a Trump token. It's called MAGA. It's 9 mil on the liquidity, and it's locked. We have 6.3 mil in volume, so the volume and the liquidity is looking righteous. Let's go ahead and pull up the old rug check. This is going to be the rug check for ETH. I actually put it in already, was checking it out. Let's go ahead and hit that scan button so we can run it one more time. Token name MAGA, Trump symbol, blah blah. Buy and sell is 1%. Trading is open. There's nothing really crazy going on in here. It's kind of showing you a couple of things going on here. They have so many different Trump tokens. It's crazy, but this token, the reason why I was actually showing this because it was actually released around August of last year. And you can see it just pretty much did nothing. It had a small run up, but it pretty much did nothing till about January of this year. And it actually ran all the way up till about 820, almost $850 million. So that's a big run. So it was pretty much dormant for about a half a year. Then it decides to pick up. I just wanted to show you guys that run and the power of these Trump tokens. It's actually pulled back now to about 373 mil, but I wouldn't get in right now. I don't know, you never really know. It could just be doing something like this and kind of creating like a little floor here and then maybe getting ready to skyrocket, or like I continuously think about all these meme coins as it might just be headed down. Okay, so I was clicking on the wrong thing. I'm imagining that it's gonna go down, but it looks like it might be trying to create a floor and head to the sky. But this token had a major run, and these Trump tokens, they just continuously go, so I wouldn't be surprised if it kept going. Okay, so the next token I want to show you guys that we found was Super Best Friends. Super Best Friends was actually released, I think, in like December of 2023. Let's grab the token contract, and I think I already put it in here, the deck screener, but we're gonna go ahead and put it in here again. Hold on, computer's acting crazy. Double, triple click in here. All right, we're gonna paste that contract in there. All right, like I said, I already had it pulled, but we're gonna go ahead and pull it up one more time. Okay, got that chart view up. You're looking at the daily chart on CoinMarketCap, the fully diluted, it looks like it's at about 10 mil. So that, I don't know why it varies. It's 10 mil in the fully diluted, but if you look here, it's actually almost at a $2 million market cap. So it's probably just a rookie in me, not too sure, but anyways, it's looking pretty good. I kind of like the chart. What I really liked about this was the actual website. Let's take the token address here. Let's go on to our rug check. This time we're gonna close this one and pull up our Solana rug check. Okay, we're gonna, wait a minute, let me see, before we do that. No, actually, that's right. So this is going to be, we're gonna go back to where we were. Okay, pull up our ETH rug check. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and put our token address there. Click the scan button. Boom, here we go. Super Best Friends token name, token symbol SUBF. 0% on buy and sell. Trading is open. Nothing really too crazy about this token. Let's go ahead and go back over here to deck screener. So it's 232K on the liquidity, and it is locked 321K on the volume. Okay, so it's looking pretty good. It's been running. I noticed that it seems like it had a nice pullback. It went all the way to that 100 and almost at 2.8 mil mark, and then it pulled down, and then it just actually wicked all the way up to about the 2.28 mil mark, and now it's pulled back, kind of gained some ground about the $1.54 million mark. Let's go ahead and take a look at the actual, let me see if it's in here. It's not even over here. I wonder why you can't see it over here. Oh, okay, here it is down here. So the Super Best Friends made their debut in a legendary South Park episode, Season 5, Episode 3. It was one of our favorite episodes and has inspired this Ethereum-based meme coin. Let's go ahead and click on it. You can find this at superbestfriends.xyz or something like that. Super Best Friends, kind of nice, gives you that nostalgic kind of feel. We're our next generation meme power creative studio. Kind of gives you a little information here. This actually looks a little different from what I've seen yesterday. Kind of like the graphics. Looks pretty nice. Look, you can go like into a portal or something here. Oh, okay. That's kind of deep. Let's go ahead and go back over here. Let's see if it's the same thing on CoinMarketCap. Because I could have swore I was looking at something different, okay? Nope. We're looking at the same thing. Computer's running slow like normal. Alright, so still looking good. Crazy little website. I could have swore that the website that I seen yesterday looked a little bit different than this. Let's click on videos and kind of see what happens here.
Silly little Solana trying to compete with the almighty Ethereum. I'll show them how to stress out a network.
Yeah, you got some crazy stuff going on here. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to hear that, but you guys can come on over here and check these videos out. This is Super Best Friends. Not really too sure if it has any movement to it or anything like that. But I was actually searching around on CoinMarketCap at some new tokens and things like that, and I kind of located this token. Like I said, I thought that, let's see, it soars about 82.57% in 24 hours. As far as central exchanges goes, I think it only has one. I don't know what Ascend X is, Bitmax. So I'm imagining that this is probably an exchange, maybe not. But I know it has one for sure, which is going to be MEXC. So since it's in this category, I'm imagining you can just say that it has two centralized exchanges. So, I've never really even heard of this token, but you guys can kind of check it out. Let's see if it has a Twitter page really quick. And we'll jump to the next page. Yeah, it does actually. So let's go ahead and we'll follow. I'm gonna go ahead and click the notification bell. Looks like it has about almost 29k followers. Looks like the meme game is kind of tight. What is that?
After much deliberation and
Yeah, their meme game is tight. You guys are gonna have to come and check this out because I'm not really too sure if you're gonna be able to hear these. So I'm not really gonna spend time playing these, but it has lots of memes. Yeah, so the meme game is stepped up, so it's looking pretty good. You guys can come and check this out, but it is about 1.5 mil already. So you just kind of have to check it out, make sure it doesn't go down. Make sure you check the charts before you guys decide to get in these plays and do your research before you decide dumping money into these bags. Look at this Smiley token. I thought Smiley token dumped. Let me go ahead and take a look at it. I could have swore it dumped. Let's see if it pulls up. Yeah, it was. Okay, I still see it over there. People are still getting into this token. Let me see. Let's click. This is just so much going on in the crypto world that you can easily get sidetracked on something else. But Smiley token, like I said, I think it dumped. We're just gonna paste this contract into Dex tool so we can take a quick look at the chart. Yeah, see, volume is 12k, liquidity is about 1.1 mil, and let's pull up the actual market cap. So it actually had its run to about 23 mil, pulled back, and pretty much hasn't been the same. Okay, so Smiley token is pretty much done, but don't get it twisted because look at that. You've seen the MAGA token, all right? Seen this Trump token. Look, it was dormant for about a half a year, and then it jumped all the way up to about 823 mil. So it is possible, all right? So let's go ahead and click that off. Let's get rid of the Trump token. We won't be entering in that right now. I do have that on my watch list. Super Best Friends, I have that on my watch list as well. To me, that is looking pretty good, but I'm going to do a little bit more research on that first. Smiley token, we'll go ahead and bop that off. Super Best Friends website. Okay, now we're at Pepe Coin. Now, this coin, this Pepe Coin, I wasn't too sure, was this the regular? Let's go ahead and first, before we go any other place with this, we're gonna go ahead and pull out this one. It just looked a little different. Let's click on the, see, there's so many duplicate tokens. So on the CEXs, you can see that it's full. It's about 8, 9, 10 exchanges, something like that. Let's click on the actual website. You know, it's like you don't know which one of these damn Pepe coins is legit. I like this website. That's one reason why I did kind of keep it on my radar. Day one cold storage, safely store your Pepe, and Pepe Coin paper wallet. I never even heard of this. You know, it looks pretty good. Pepe Coin blockchain explorer. Yeah, so it's a little interesting. I really don't know where this Pepe came from, but it could be the regular Pepe. Maybe I'm just not knowing, but it's showing the fully diluted's about 235K. So that's some new Pepe, because I know Pepe is somewhere in the billions or something like that, or close to it, or a little over or whatever. So it has a white paper and all that good stuff here. Let's see if we can find, what I'm looking for is the actual token address. It's not over there. Normally it's right over here. So that's a little interesting. Let's see if we can go to, let's see, it has a trading view, but why would it have a trading view? But especially with such a small market cap. So it looks like it's pretty much went dormant February of 2024. It actually jumped all the way up to that 401727 mark. I'm not sure, maybe this is just that regular Pepe, but Pepe's market cap's kind of higher than that. So not too sure about this Pepe coin. If you guys know anything about this and why it looks different from the regular Pepe, there's too many duplicates, not too sure about it, so I wouldn't put any money on it until I actually got sure with it. This is Super Trump right here. We actually were looking at Super Trump. Says it's showing fully diluted. It's about 23K. Now, I don't know how true that is. Sometimes these charts are looking kind of strange. Let's go ahead and we're going to open up another deck screener here. Just so familiar with this platform. I like to just read it on deck screeners. So let's go to the search bar. Gonna right click, we're gonna paste that down. Okay, Super Trump showing us down 43.47%. Okay, this Trump token right here, I like the website. Okay, the website's double dope. Volume's about 25K in liquidity. Before we do anything, let's go ahead and grab this token contract. Let's make sure it's on ETH, right? So here, gonna right click, paste that there. See what comes up here. All right, Super Trump, S Trump is gonna be a token symbol. Buy and sell fee is gonna be 0 and 0. It's not really anything too much to see on here. But yeah, let's go here. Let's take a look at, so this is going to be the 15-minute chart. Let's go to the daily chart. Daily is not really going to give us any justice. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Okay, so it actually, let me pull up market cap here. So stretch your chart out a little bit. So it actually had its run up to about 205K, and it's pulled down since then. This token right here is going to be one of those Trump tokens where if something was crazy that was happening in the debate with him becoming president, all that good stuff, this is one of those tokens that might have a good chance of taking off. Check this out. Let's go ahead and punch up the actual website. This is what made me be interested in the token. I actually really like this website. Whatever decides to pull up. You know, really jazzy, really snazzy. Super Trump, laugh, invest, thrive with S Trump. Look at that, it's pretty neat. Pretty nice. Contract is renounced. LP is locked. See Super Trump features, ownership, burn feed, team audit, Super Trump rocket. Buy Elon Musk's rocket service and send Super Trump model into space. I guess I'm imagining this is going to be like some type of an NFT. Here's the tokenomics. 90% goes to eco products and partnership. You have 2.7 liquidity pool, 5.3 on pre-sale percent, 0.3% marketing. Charity is 0.3%. Development and community building airdrop 0.4%. Exchanges 1%. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Token is an ERC20 token. Super Trump zero tax. Supply 1, 2, 3. It's going to be million, billion, trillion. So 420 trillion. There's the smart contract address. These are going to be some NFTs that they have going on. It's looking really, really nice. That's what kind of attracted me to the project, was the actual website. Kind of taking that Superman theme going on. Token sniffer is 0 out of 100, so it looks pretty good. 526 on the rocket, 2% on the Boo Boo coin, so it's nothing really too interesting. Go down here to the holders. Somebody's holding about 40. Oh, Uniswap got about 40%. So it's still not that bad though. Still not that bad. Like I said, right now it's running around that 30K mark. Whether it's gonna go up to the stars, not really too sure. For all we know, it's a meme coin, so it might go down. It's kind of showing that it's been on about 3 days, 15 hours, something like that. But still a new meme. You just kind of have to keep your eyes on it. Kind of watch the charts before you guys decide to, and do your research before you guys start hopping into these tokens, because they could just go down to zero. Then again, they could go and shoot for the stars. The last one that I got going for today is nothing. We're gonna go ahead and close that there, because what I got to show you guys next is gonna take a few minutes, and we're already at about 18 minutes. I don't think anybody's gonna watch to the end, but you guys let me know what you guys think down in the comments about any of these tokens. You guys have a good day, and until the next video.